All right, so this is what the front end of our project looks like. This is what you are initially greeted by, the login page. So we set up a account here with the username test and password. And then we can log in here. So this is what the main page will look like. This is the stores page. So right now it shows you up here, we have the Scheels logo, test, then you have the option to log out here. So right now it displays all the different stores here that Scheels has. And then since there's a lot of different locations, we included a pagination feature where we can go back and forth and it only displays a certain amount, and that helps with loading time and presentation. So we can search. So we have Great Falls Scheels here, so we can search Great and click search, and it shows all the Great Falls Scheels locations. Then we can go back. So if we wanted to sort this data, we could click on the name feature, and it has a thumbs up for sorting by ascended and thumbs down for sorting by descended. And then this option is available by clicking any of the headers here. This is something that is similar amongst all the pages. All right, so this is our edit feature. This is something that they'll be changing later, but right now it just shows information here. And this is our show employees feature. So it will show the employees at all the stores. So we don't have all the employees listed since we don't have actual tables, but I believe one of these does. So this one shows the employees here, and then you can also sort. There's only one here, so it's not going to change anything. And then you have some different options right here. So then the stores page, that's the basic functionality of this. So let me just show off the roles page quick here. So these are different roles that users could have. And then you could assign different privileges to each of the roles. So for example, you could add in another role that was HR, and then they could have like editing capabilities.
Okay, so here's our directory page. For directory page, we have multiple filter. We can search by employee, search by a role. We have the order by function for the table, where if you click on the columns, it will just order by like columns, and you can order some stuff means accident and some stuff means decedent. We also have the pagination function. Right now, the pagination is default to showing only 5 data for each page, but that can be changed as well. So one new feature that we have for the directory page is the add new employee feature. If you click right buttons, it will lead to an employee detail page, and it's an empty form, so you can just enter the information and add a new employee. Make sure that you need to follow by the styling it required and all the fields that you need to enter some data in it. Otherwise, if you click that submit buttons, it will fail to submit. It will only submit if you type in or fill in all the information correctly. So if you click submit, you can see that the employee is added at first right there where the first name is test. And we can also choose to view employee, where if you click view employee, it will show the information we just entered. You can modify the employee data, but the employee ID won't be editable since it is a primary key and it shouldn't be changed. And once you click submit, the change will be send it to the database as well. So we can also send the email by click that email function, where you will just choose who to send to. That you can send an email to that person with the email that that person has, and you can type in the information. We can also delete a specific employee when you click that delete button. So if we just delete the test data that we create, you can see that the data now is deleted after you click the delete. So now once you search the test, it says no employee found. The last page we have is the specialty shop page. So it is really similar as the previous page, where it will show all the specialty shop, and you can also order by columns, do the pagination, and also search by the specialty shop name.